Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada and UK, and I also upload daily market analysis on 10 currency pairs including US dollar and Swiss franc. So this video is for today 23rd Feb 2021 Tuesday, and I'm sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Probably you can hear kids are shouting outside on the streets. Can't help. Anyways, let's get back to the chart. We can see that right now market is trading at 0.9003, and you can see on the screen that I have marked the two important levels for the day. The first level is 0.8951 and the second level is 0.9016. If this is the support and this is the resistance. Right now, uh, it almost reached this resistance and it is coming down. Okay, so you just see. Okay, if it goes up again and if it hits the resistance level, okay, resistance level of at 0.9016, and if you see that it is trading here. If you spot some reversal sign, okay, or price rejection from above, okay, means that market is still not ready to cross the level. That means bears are not allowing the market to go up. In that case, you can short the market. Okay, and if it crosses this D level, this particular level, if it breaches D level, then it's a breakout. But you need to get a confirmation. Okay, how will you get the confirmation? You'll get a confirmation with the help of volume. Okay, and you just let the market, even if it gives a breakout also, please let the market trade for a while above this level. Let the support, let the resistance become the support. Okay, let the market trade above this particular level comfortably for a while, then you can get the confirmation that okay, the resistance has become the support, and then you can go ahead and execute the buy order. If you do that, then you'll be getting the bonus of the risk to reward ratio. The risk to reward ratio will be in your favor. So what you need to do, if it hits the level and shows some reversal sign, if you see that there is not much pressure from the bulls, then you can short the market. If you see some reversal price rejection from above, if it crosses the level, if it breaches this particular level, just wait for some time, let the market cool down a little bit. Okay, let the market trade comfortably above the level for a while, then you can go ahead and buy the order. Okay, similarly we have this level here, 0.8950. Okay, if you hmm, if you get it somewhere down here, just see how the prices are reacting at this level. If you see that market is not going below this level, then you can go ahead and buy. You see that there is price rejection from below. See that support is still valid. Okay, if you spot the validity of the support, then you can buy. And on the other hand, if you see that okay, bulls are not in a position to hold the ground, and they are, if they lose their ground, and if you see that there is a breach, then you can go ahead and short the market. If you see some selling pressure and if this support is broken, then you can short the market. Otherwise, no. Okay, if it bounces from here, buy. If it breaks, sell. If it crosses the level, buy. If it reverses from here, short the market. That's it for the day. This should be the strategy for the day. And so hopefully you'll have understood, and thank you so much. If you have found the video informative, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And you can also visit my website for further information or know more about me. Thank you so much. and good luck.